primitive types in patterns, which extends pattern matching to work with primitive types inside instanceof and switch statements. I covered this feature in detail with demos in my Java 24 feature review video, so if you haven't seen that yet, make sure to check it out after this one. So quick recap. Before this enhancement, pattern matching didn't support primitive types. It worked only with reference types such as classes, interfaces, arrays, records, or wrapper types like integer, double, long, but not with primitive types. That led to a classic boxing unboxing punches we have all thrown at some point, right? You can now match directly on primitives. No wrapping, no unboxing is required. So consider this example, which we have already covered. So like this, you can use it in instanceof and directly match it and at the same time convert it into the required type. Similarly, in switch statements, you can do something like this object and you can match it to int, or there are guarded case statements as well. These are called as guarded case statements where you have condition and then only you match the pattern. So yes, you can even add conditions directly in your pattern. Here, checking if double value is greater than 2 is a condition which we applied, and when it will come to the third case is when the double value is of course less or equal to 2, right? That is, it is handling the smaller ones separately. So what is key takeaway with Java 25? Pattern matching for primitives continue to evolve, now in its third preview and almost ready to go stable. I have already covered it with demos and examples in my Java 24 review video, so do check that one out if you want to see it in action. This is just one of the major updates in Java 25. I have covered top 6 game-changing features in my Java 25 features video. Check the link in the description to see the rest.